Hello, my name is Angelina Perez, and today I will be talking about the concept of functionalism. So, to define functionalism, it is a theoretical approach that sees society as a structure with interrelated parts designed to meet the biological and social needs of individuals that make up that society. And this definition is from our sociology textbook. And today I will be giving you some examples of how we see functionalism and how it is useful in society and how we understand it. To start off with functionalism, we're going to talk about this concept. So, functionalists see society as a working system with multiple parts which all come together as a whole. When you think about society, you see it as a whole full of many people. For functionalism, it's the same way with working parts. To kind of give a better clarification of that, we look at this example. The human body has many body parts and cells that work together for your body to function correctly. If a body part stops working, such as your heart, your whole body will collapse. That compares to how functionalism works. So, that example of a heart, just whenever your heart stops, your whole body just stops. Another body part you can think of is your brain. When your brain stops working, your whole body will just collapse. And these examples kind of give a correlation to how functionalism works. So, Emile Durkheim. Emile Durkheim is a French sociologist, and he believed that this quote comes from him. He believed that society, society is a complex system of interrelated and interdependent parts that work together to maintain stability, and that society is held together by shared values, languages, and symbols. And this also comes from our sociology textbook. So, just how we see the working human body, Durkheim sees functionalism in society as a giant organism where each part plays an important role. Um, Durkheim also believed individuals may make up society, but in order to study society, sociologists have to look beyond individuals to social facts. And what he means by social facts is laws, morals, values, and religious beliefs that make up society. So, when you think of individuals, everyone is different in how they see the world and different religions everyone has, and just different groups of people, of individuals, make up society in their own different way. So, functionalism shows how important the relationship between social institutions are and the way they work together to form a whole society. Functionalists believe that society is held together by social consensus, in which members of the society agree upon and work together to achieve what is best for society as a whole. Um, to give an example of that, we look at education. So, as far as education in society, children go to school to learn new abilities and aspects in a learning environment to grow their knowledge for the future. Children go to school to build an education and to learn how to have good citizenship. The benefits of having a proper education is to prepare you for the future jobs. A new generation of kids go to school every year to learn how to do different jobs in the world and be intelligent. A proper education is all part of society as a whole, which creates a part of functionalism. So, when kids and children go to school, they learn the different subjects, the basics of math, science, history, etc. But also, going to school teaches you what you are going to be prepared for in the future. Because As young children, they think this is so useless. But what they don't know is those different subjects they're learning is going to benefit them in the future for whatever type of job they're going to do. It could be in economics, um, it could be with anything really. And it's going to teach you different things that matter in the future whenever you get to that age. Um, just in general, having a proper education is good for individuals to build. And family. So, family has important functions for both society and individuals. It gives functions of reproduction and production of children as to learn the basic norms and behaviors of human life. In families, you teach your kids the basic standards and needs to grow as an individual with language and behavior. As individuals get older, people learn to socialize with each other to build a stable society. When individuals get older, reproduction of new individuals come and the cycle starts over again. Family plays an important role to create a society of people filled with behavior, norms, and values they are supposed to. This gives an understanding of how society works with functionalism to fill the biological and social needs of society. So, in families, when children are born and parents teach them the language that they have and the behavior they are supposed to have, the certain things they do that are bad and the certain things they do that are good. This teaches them when they get older what things are good and what things are bad. And as far as language, it gives them, shows the words they need. And as they go to school, they learn the basic aspects and to grow older. And then a new reproduction is formed of new children, and it just keeps on going in a giant cycle. And that builds individuals in society and creates a whole of society, which plays a big part in functionalism. And these are my sources. Thank you so much for listening.